That's a Bluetooth device, loudspeaker. Oh, that's the how you turn it on. Let's see. That's the on and off.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh, Bluetooth mode. Let's just play something. So it has a USB connection, memory card slot. So let me remove this. Yeah, all kind of memory slot, USB C type and normal USB, auxiliary for the headphone jack, and memory card slot. I think this mini or micro SD. Anyway, you put it like that. Elegantly is hidden from view, and that's it. Is playing. You can use it as a radio. It has a radio, and all the way from China in 1 week. Excellent. And if you buy 2 of this, you can pair them, so you will have very stereo. You can produce a stereo, but you will have really, pairing stereos. So this is one of my own videos. The music is the YouTube audio library, and you can hear it from here.